everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer and I would love it if you subscribe to my YouTube. We're doing a giveaway at 400 subscribers. We're over halfway there already and it would just be super cool. We're doing a giveaway. You could win stuff. You can also follow me on Instagram. I always have it linked down below in the description box. And yeah, I wanted to do something a little more colorful because I've been doing so many dark neutral looks, and yeah, this is pretty dark, but it is colorful. It's pink and purple. Who doesn't love pink and purple? And would you believe me if I said there was orange in here? We had a little mishap at the beginning of the video, but with that being said, I'm gonna get off of here and stop yammering on. Make sure if you like the video while you're watching, you give it a thumbs up down below. It super helps me out, and yeah, let's get on into the video, guys. All right, so I'm gonna start off using the Conspiracy palette, but I also have out my Wet n Wild Pac-Man palette. I've already concealed my eyes. I used the ColourPop No Filter Matte Concealer in Fair 00 like I always do. So let's get into this. I'm gonna start off with Cheese Dust, which is the orange in the Conspiracy palette. Yeah. And I'm just going to add this into my crease. I am blending and blurring this up pretty high. Trying to decide if I want to do all matte or all shimmer. This is a weird tone of orange. It's like a deeper, darker orange, but I'm here for it. So I'm just building that color up into my crease. You can be a little messy with this because, like pretty much all of my videos, we're going to be cutting our crease in a minute. I want that to be I mean it's already super bright, but I want it to be a little brighter. So I'm going to hop over into my Pac-Man palette and I'm going to take this matte orange shade. It's just a little brighter, a little more vibrant. And I'm going to kind of layer that in just to brighten that up. I want this bright as hell. I'm gonna cut my crease quickly and I'm going to cut my crease all the way across. Have fun. If you're having trouble cutting your crease, there are a few things you can do. I pretty much use my natural crease line, which I have hooded eye, so you can't really see my lid when I have my eyes open, but I kind of just like feel for my eyeball, which is weird. But if you don't want to do that, or you want, I don't know, if you don't want to do that, you can apply a little bit of the concealer on your lid and then look up and you will naturally get your crease from that. So just some options if you are needing it. And I'm trying to decide if I want to make this glittery and shimmery or if I want it all matte. I think I'm gonna start off all matte. The Conspiracy palette has Trisha, which is super shimmery and bright, but I'm gonna take this matte pink shade out of the Wet n Wild palette. And I'm gonna, is that what I'm wanting? Fill in my lid up to where we cut our crease. That orange is just not as bright as I'm wanting it, so I'm going to take more of that brighter orange out of the Wet n Wild palette and kind of revamp up here. Do I like that? I don't know. Alright, I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go into the purple shade. Now that I'm really in this look, I had an idea of what I was wanting, but now that I'm like really into it and doing it, you really don't need the Conspiracy palette. If you have the Pac-Man palette, you can definitely do this. I'm just grabbing a smaller mirror and I'm gonna go in and kind of blend my crease with this purple a little bit. Just kind of outlining my crease a little bit. I've never been one to use smaller mirrors, but when I'm doing this to my crease, I kind of have to have a smaller mirror. Let me rephrase, when I'm filming and doing this to my crease, I have to have a smaller mirror. Because if I was doing this in real life, just no camera, your girl would be like right here in her mirror, and that's just not acceptable. That orange is kind of ruining the brightness of the rest of these colors. I'm gonna dip into the Alyssa Edwards palette, and this palette's been through some stuff, but I'm gonna take Believe, which is the matte purple in here. I've just been feeling a bright eye, I don't know why. I'm gonna go back with the pink, and I'm actually gonna take Texas Made out of this palette. Literally any rainbow palette you have, you can muster up this look here. I kind of really wish I hadn't done that orange at all. You live and you learn, I guess. I'm actually gonna take a clean crease brush and kind of blur that purple up a little bit more. Cause I'm just not a fan of how that orange is rolling. Just letting you know. The orange is not wanting, there we go. A little bit, Jesus Christ, now it looks like I've been punched. Well, if you came here to watch me utterly destroy my makeup, you're in the right place. I'm gonna get a different brush that's more of a packing brush and put that purple on it. And run over my crease a little bit. I'm just trying to cover up that orange that I do not like. And I get that it's the Cheeto Dust orange, and that's like the whole gimmick behind it, but I guess your girl just doesn't like orange. And since this look is taking a weird turn, I'm gonna kind of pop this on my outer corner as well. And fuck up my entire eye. Oh, Sugarfoot. I'm gonna take just a little itty bitty tiny little schmecklin of black and add it out here to try to blend these all together and make it all the same shitty color. And now I'm gonna go back in with the, ooh, that pink, and I'm gonna take Trisha out of the Conspiracy palette just because it's shimmery. Although I will let you know, there's pinks and shimmers in the Alyssa Edwards palette, and there's a matte pink in the Wet n Wild palette. Let me hop off of here, do my other eye and my face makeup, and we're gonna come back and see if this can even be situated. I am going to clean up a little bit right there, and maybe a little bit out here in the outer corner, just so I don't have like a dark purple ring going completely around my eye. So let me do that, and I will be right back, and hopefully I will have figured out what I am even trying to do. Okay. All right, so now that the rest of my face makeup is on, I feel a little bit more confident about this makeup look, but we're rolling. There's no takebacks. We gotta go. I gotta finish it. I have other things to film today. Let's do our lower lash line. So I'm going to take that same pencil brush and the purple that we used on our crease, and wow, my God, wait. Huh? That was disgusting. Anywho, and let's do the outer portion of our lower lash line, purple. And now I'm going to take just any other little pencil blending brush, and I'm going to take a mix of Texas Made, which is the hot pink in here, the hot pink in the Wet n Wild palette, and that's pretty much it. I was going to say a little bit of Trisha, but I don't want glitter on my little lash line, so. Let me hop off of the screen. I'm going to tightline using a NYX pencil. I'm not going to do a wing, but I'm going to do a thin little strip of black using Physicians Formula. I'm going to put on a little bit of mascara, and then I'm going to go in with the Kiss 001s. These are just super long dramatic lashes, and we'll be back. Alright, so we are back again. Lashes are on. We were struggling, it's okay. I'm going to take Ranch out of the Conspiracy palette, which is just a white eyeshadow with silver duochrome, and I'm going to use this to highlight my inner corner and under my brow bone. Yay! And then I'm going to keep the lips really simple since this is such a bold look. My freaking lash just popped again. Pretty much anytime I use eyelashes that aren't Kiss Ritzies, I get pissed off. Because that's popping. It's fine. I'm going to take Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in Mannequin and layer Buxom's White Russian over it and just do a glossy nude lip. I don't know. Do we like this better matte? No. I want gloss on it. Oh, that was good. Alright guys, so this is the complete finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was super freaking fun to do. Yeah, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I'm doing a giveaway at 400 subscribers and we're over halfway there already. So yes, make sure you give it a thumbs up as well. It really helps me out. And with that all being said, I will see you all in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed.